We back. Chat, we jumping off into a new day, and I gotta run a few things by y'all because we got a lot of big things coming up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta drop this video right here to be the first of all because I gotta show y'all the Surround is really starting to beat me up, bro.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
My shoulder's like broken. Look at my butt, bro. If I wasn't wearing these 5 Dickies, bro, my sphincter would be burnt on the concrete. My sphincter would be gone, bro. It smelled like bacon all around me.
Oh, show them the tear.
Look at that. My seat tore. Let me know. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know the 62 tooth on the Surround. I thought it wasn't enough. It's still not enough. I got right back up, but I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all are gonna see that video. Y'all let me know. Did I bust it? Anyway, I gotta show y'all my new Dickies though. Let me show y'all. I've been waiting to show y'all my new Dickies, bro. Come on, follow me. Follow me. We gotta show y'all the new Dickies because these were the new Dickies, and y'all can tell that I really don't get out of them. I don't gotta get out of them.
Oh, Valentine's Day pop-off.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the whole little. I'm gonna do like the whole camera magic, and I'm gonna do like the thing where I jump and I'm gonna be in them. Just watch. Am I in them yet? Nah, it's not that easy, but it's not that easy. We gonna try it again though, for real. I think he'll let me do it this time. Hold up. Alright. You can stop now. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. We in the back. We back. They say my sphincter skin. Anyway, we about to hop on the Surround for real. If y'all wanna see us pimp the crib for real.
With car photos and a bunch of cool cars.
Let us know down below and we'll do that. But we about to hop onto the Surround. To the outside, baby. And everybody has to give us a thank you, like always, for you holding the camera. Yeah. It never goes unnoticed. Sometimes it goes unsaid, but never unnoticed.
Comments.
But please say please, please, please 3 times so we can keep getting the footage. You know? I'm gonna show y'all something. We got.
Doesn't he? Y'all comment if he should keep the helmet or get a different helmet.
I need a different one.
He's not rocking with the helmet, but I kind of like it.
This is a street bike helmet. I gotta get a dirt bike helmet, and I would get like one of the open dome ones, but bro, I swear if I fall, I might smack my face. So I gotta.
And y'all, doesn't he need some dunks for the fit?
Oh my gosh, the dunks
would go hard.
I need dunks, but they rock like $300 for real. $300.
But it's for the drip.
Alright, we almost paid though, bro. But probably by the time this video is up, I'm probably paid. I'm 40 watch hours away right now. But by the time y'all see that,
please get us the 40 watch hours.
4,000, but we 40 away.
Come on, y'all. Y'all know y'all want to see more.
I get nervous.
Why?
Because I'm not used to recording in public, and especially in a place of like the apartment. I just feel like people are gonna yell. I don't know why. I'm scared. I'm a puss.
No, you're
Maybe
not.
one day I'm gonna get confidence. This is what this is. But
y'all boost the comments with some stuff to boost our confidence.
Drop down below, bro. You're a puss.
No,
Everybody,
do not drop that below
hey,
YouTube.
Whoever has the most likes on bro, you're a puss. I'm gonna send you a $50 gift card, bro.
No.
For whoever has the most likes.
I'm gonna comment, y'all. I need a $50 gift card. Y'all like it up? Hey. Okay. All right, baby. Okay. Careful, baby. Okay. All right, baby.
Y'all want to see us on a dirt bike? Y'all let me know. We got that boy Clay. He's trying to get me to buy his 250. YZ 250, bro. It's fire. If I need to get on a dirt bike, I'm thinking I need something. I just don't know what to start on, bro. What do y'all think is the best starting dirt bike?
The Grom. You're good. Don't be nervous to fall.
I get nervous in front of people. I don't
I
know.
know.
I got to get out of that. That's my flaw in life, and that's what's holding me back. One day we'll overcome that. It's all about overcoming fears. That's my hard fear I got to overcome. I talk about it, but
Easier said than done.
it's a lot easier said than done. For you, that might be super easy. For me, I struggle with that, but he'll be all right.
You got it, baby. Baby, that was good!
We haven't even dropped a video since we got the apartment. Besides when we got the apartment, we was moving a couple stuff in, and maybe that could bring in a new audience. We're gonna show y'all we got where we at with the apartment, bro, because it's my first house and I'm 21. I'm gonna be 22 in a couple months, so we almost big 22, but I got my first crib by 21, so I can put y'all on a little bit. It's a simple setup, it's not much, but for me, it's more than I ever thought I would imagine, and I didn't expect it to be like this, bro. I expected it to be like mad. I don't know when I really even expected it, to be honest, but we made it to a crib by 21 with a Hellcat at 21, and life's been going crazy, man. This video is probably just gonna be like a little motivational update of my life, and I feel the energy. It's a good vibe right now, and I hope y'all can see I'm a lot happier in my videos. I'm starting to become myself a little bit. I got the new camera, which I'm super thankful from my family, from Christmas, everybody who helped put together. And the videos are just a lot better. I'm in my own space that y'all can see now. We got our own crib, so the videos I can record wherever, whenever, go record wherever. The channel's just been a lot better here since we have got a house and a place to live. And I'm super blessed to come from it, but I just wanted to show everybody. I know y'all probably don't care, but for the people and the couple of people that do care and whatnot, I just want to pretty much just show the crib and where it's at, bro. Since we moved in, it's been 2-3 months or whatever. We moved in a little bit before Christmas, and now we're here, bro. It's coming together, man, and I just want y'all to know you can do it, bro. It's a lot easier than you think it is. Just believe in yourself, and don't watch me and wonder why, if you're my age or younger, a little bit older, why your time hasn't come, because you never know when someone's time is and when your time is, bro. And just don't put yourself to the next person. Be your own person and create your own journey. And when you create your own journey, you're gonna unlock all your accolades. You're gonna understand yourself. You're gonna get things. Everybody has times of their life that are different. Everybody has highs. While you're at your high, like I was getting a house, someone could have been going through a low. And when I'm going through a low, someone could be getting the house, someone could be getting the car. And today with the internet, it's hard to do, because the internet is just a bunch of everybody's best moments in life. So I'm just gonna try to document all of mine, so y'all can try to see the real life, be real with the camera, and y'all can come with me. And it's a little bit after we moved in, and I just want y'all to know, man, it's possible, bro. Because especially if I can do it, if it takes you 6 more months before you even get that car, that house, a year, 2 years, bro. It's your time, and it's going to be your time, and everybody's going to have their time when it comes, and it's what you do with the time when it's given to you. Are you going to keep elevating, bro? Are you going to keep moving? Because yes, the crib is crazy, and your crib might be better than mine, bro, when you get it, and your crib might be a little bit less, but who knows what you're going to have down the road, bro. You could go 3 times by this in like 6 months. You never know, bro. Just believe in yourself, and I want y'all to believe in me like I believe in myself, and believe in yourself like I believe in you, bro. And together we're gonna be able to make it, bro. But today I'm gonna be on the camera, bro, and this video has been all over the place. I know it's just talking, riding the bike, kind of what I like my channel to be, bro. Me and the camera, and me and y'all, and we're having a little connection right now. But I just wanted to say a shout out and a thank you to Anna, my girlfriend, as well. As y'all see, if y'all see the whole outfit, or it looks like I'm third person type, it's because she's got the camera. So we need her. Y'all please comment. Thank you for holding the camera, bro, or something, bro. Show appreciation, because the videos do get a lot better, and I do like my favorite videos I put out are when she can hold the camera, bro. I know it sucks to hold the camera, but maybe one day we'll be allowed to pay her, you know what I'm saying? So got to put the whole gang on, got to be able to feed the family, pay the family. But enough of me talking, bro. I know y'all hear a little bit of that, but let's go ahead. We gonna come in like we at the door. And what we got going on, man. See, we got right here, we got the Suron. It's still sitting up here. Y'all got enough videos of that, bro. Y'all should be pretty up to date with the Ron. The 62 sprocket is what we changed. We got the street tires. We did break this John though. Seat. If I need to do a seat. I do need a new seat. I don't know. I wish it was like a little bit longer. I wish I had a seat that would still look good, like a dirt bike seat that was a little bit longer than that, just so I could jump up, because I always feel like I'm gonna miss, bro. But that's pretty much it, besides the Magura brakes. Y'all know all of that, but y'all do keep up with the Sur-Ron, as I post a lot of Sur-Ron videos now. It's fun to record, gets my views up. Like anything, I'm doing what pays me, but I also enjoy it. So the car stuff is still here, bro. Like I say in like every video, so car stuff is still here. I'm trying to go look at a new car. I got plans coming up, and hopefully, probably by the time this video is up, YouTube's gonna be paying like a couple dollars, bro. We are like, the time of recording this video, I'm like 30 watch hours away. So I'm at like 3970, should be at like 4,000 by the time this video is up, way past that. I just wanna say thank you to everybody, because it's truly a blessing. And I never actually thank y'all besides like in comments, but I just want to be able to say it. I'm super thankful for y'all getting me to one step closer to my dream, man. And who knows where it's going to take us, because the start of this channel was only cars. I've gotten more consistent. I've been uploading more. If y'all want to see me post, I've been thinking about posting Tuesdays and Thursdays. Unless y'all got 2 better days y'all would like more, just leave in the comments what 2 days you think would be pretty cool. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people go Tuesday and Thursday. I don't know, man. I'm new to this, as y'all may know, but we gonna grow together, man. We gonna get there someday, and one day we gonna turn this crib into a fat crib with a bunch of glass windows, and y'all know all of that. Big Lamborghinis. I don't even know. GT3. I'm still going for the GT3, but I am trying to get rid of the cat. So if y'all think we should go test drive a new car, I got a car in mind, a C8, bro. I just been thinking it's kind of mid-engine, kind of a little exotic feel for less. I might rock that, bro. The Vet would be crazy. If y'all want to see us go test drive a Vet, a C8, let us know, bro. I like the blue John with red seats. I like that like light gray looking, whitish, grayish, whatever, but it's got to have red seats or some crazy seats, bro. But anyway, back to the crib, man. We do got this crazy reclining couch, bro. Pete. I'm telling y'all, bro, we got a whole couch now. And shout out to the family for giving us this couch. This couch was a little family couch, you know what I'm saying? The game room does go a little bit harder now. And we got the full big recliner, Johns. Y'all like that? We do got the random little cars on there. One of my dream cars, the GT3. That's some sort of Ferrari, bro. I don't even know what that is, but the GT3 I know is a lot more obtainable. I don't even know what that is, bro, so that's how I know. But hopefully in a couple years we're gonna get that GT3. We do got our kitchen. Nothing going too crazy with all the content coming out. I probably do need to get a new one of those. That bit laggy, bro. And then we got our open sign, which is not on right now. And we got the custom skateboard up there with my name on it. And we on lunch break right now from work. So, you know, I'm trying to put in the time right now. Y'all see I'm filming on my lunch break. I'm trying to get active. I'm trying to get my personal business, because in life you got to grow your personal self and turn yourself into a business and monetizing your life. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get paid to just be me, and y'all rock with me, and maybe motivate you to go get on behind the camera or go do what any of that is. Just grow yourself, grow your name, grow your brand, pay yourself, and be financially free and travel around the world, man. That's what we're trying to do. I'm trying to see the world, I'm trying to travel, bring the camera and get paid through it, monetize my life, you know, all that. Anyway, let's step into the next room. I ain't even gonna show y'all what's in the kitchen though, or the fridge, bro. I ain't even finna show y'all what's in the fridge. It's looking a little, yeah, boy. You know, we ain't got nothing. We got nothing in there, bro. We got nothing too crazy, but we got ice cream. We got all the stuff we don't need. I do need to get back in the gym. Y'all drop in the comment, bro. I do need to get back in the gym, bro. I've been lacking in the gym. I've been on the bike. I've been picking up new hobbies, so I dropped a hobby. I've been enjoying the bike, so like I'm doing a little bit of exercise, but we got our bathroom, spare bathroom, nothing too crazy in here. Curtains, all that, big mirror, nothing too fancy. And we got the game room, which is coming together a little bit. It's just, it holds all my stuff, because my old lady, she be trying to put everything in here that's mine, bro. She don't want none of the bikes out. The bikes are like kitchen pieces to me, bro. I'm trying to have it sitting on the kitchen counter. I'm trying to use it as a kitchen table, and she trying to get a kitchen table, bro. So please drop in the comments down below, because like y'all see the vision with me in the Sur-Ron in the kitchen and all the bikes and all that. But let's step into the game. We're enough talking. And we got the SE bike right here that my boy did pop the tire, bro. I don't really even know how to change bike tires or what to do, I guess. I don't know. It's probably not that hard. I'm not new to it, but boy was going too stupid, not even wheeling, bro. Was trying to treat it like a BMX bike and fucking jump the John, bro. I don't even know what he's on, but he's doing too much, bro. But shout out to Jacob, bro. My boy, he holds the camera for me as well. Y'all see him in a couple videos. He's got that 5th gen Camaro front splitter from the Cat. So if you do got a Charger, I don't know whatever generation Charger, bro, but it fits my Cat. It should fit your Scat 5.7, your V6, whatever model skinny body Charger. If y'all do want a splitter, bro, I'll give that away. If we'll do like a giveaway or something. I don't know if y'all wanted us to give away the front splitter off the Cat, slightly used but free, bro. Acting crazy, and sometimes I want to go stupid and make my crib like that. I don't know, but if y'all want to see more house tours, updating on the house, if y'all want us to mod the house, bro, if we going from cars to mod the house, I don't even know. But y'all just let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all are liking this, if y'all liking the surround, the car content, if y'all just chilling with whatever I upload, let me know for that too as well, because I do enjoy making the videos where I can be myself. But I gotta get for real back to cooking my sandwich, bro. So let me throw my bacon in the microwave. And I gotta put the camera down for real. I've been talking.
Record beats.